Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very rare item that I know a lot of you guys have been wanting out there, and I just so happen to have gotten my hands on this great accessory, right? It's the official Tesla Levitating Cybertruck, and it's right here in this box. So come back in just a moment and we'll take a look at it. Here we go. So I got the Levitating Cybertruck from Tesla here, right here in this box. And it's a great accessory. It's really difficult to get a hold of these. Every time they start selling them, they happen to sell out almost immediately. They sell them for $250 in the shop. And it's just crazy, which is something else. I wish I can get you a discount on this one. We have plenty of discounts in the description below for a lot of Tesla accessories. Not this one, but go check those out and let's take a look. So here we go. Oh boy, take this top off. Woohoo! There she is in all her glory. So this is the Cybertruck that is levitated. It's not too heavy. It has a little bit of girth to it, but it is quite large, truth be told. Comes with nice instruction manual. Yay. And in the bottom, we have the base. And that's all there is to it, with an extension cord. So that's all the pieces to the Levitating Cybertruck. Now, how does this thing work? Well, here's how it works. We're going to plug the adapter in, and we're going to plug this into the wall. Well, this is really simple. There's a trick to it. Hold it like this, and you got to go directly over it and very gently let it down. And you're going to feel it wanting to kick to one side or another like that. Nope. And you don't want it to do that. So you're just going to feel for where the center is, kind of like balancing a pencil on your finger. It'll start levitating just like that. It actually lights up. The headlights on it work. The tail lights on the Cybertruck actually works. And believe it or not, it tends to rotate on its own. I didn't push it or turn it. It just tends to rotate. One of the little features that a lot of people don't know about is that you can, here's the power button right here. And if you press this button, it doesn't actually shut it down, but what it does do, it turns off the lights on the truck. So no, the Cybertruck doesn't fall out the air when you press the button, the power looking button. It just turns the headlights on and off. That's all it does. And that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple, great looking. I think it's a great office accessory for sure, and looks pretty good in your living room if you can get your wife to agree to it. But in any case, great accessory, highly recommend it. Don't forget to look in the description below for those great discounts on other Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you again soon. Peace.